Hello, today's topic? At the hair salon.
Good afternoon. Welcome to the hair salon.
Hi there. I'm looking to change my hair color.
Exciting. What color are you thinking of?
I'm considering going blonde, but I'm not sure.
Blonde would look fabulous on you.
Thank you. I'm a bit nervous though.
Don't worry, we'll find the perfect shade.
I hope so. Can you recommend a shade for me?
Based on your skin tone, I'd suggest a honey blonde.
That sounds nice. Let's go for it.
Great choice. Shall we start with a consultation?
Yes, please. I'd like to discuss the process.
Of course. We'll need to bleach your hair first.
Will that damage my hair?
It can, but we'll use a gentle formula and follow up with conditioning treatments.
That's reassuring. How long will the process take?
It depends on your current hair color and desired shade.
I see. I'm willing to wait for the perfect blonde.
Patience is key when it comes to hair transformations.
I agree.
So, tell me about yourself.
I'm a nurse. What about you?
I've been a hairstylist for many years.
That's impressive. Do you enjoy your job?
Absolutely. I love helping clients feel confident.
It must be rewarding. Any plans for the weekend?
I'm thinking of visiting my family out of town.
Sounds like a lovely way to spend your time.
Oh, your hair looks fantastic.
Thank you. I'm thrilled with the new color.
I'm glad you like it. Don't forget to use color-safe shampoo.
Will do. Thanks for the advice and the amazing transformation.
Vocabulary.
Exciting. Recommend. Jade. Consultation. Process. Bleach. Damage. Gentle. Formula. Condition. Treatment. Patience. Nurse. Impressive. Confident. Reward. Family. Town. Fantastic. Transformation.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our videos.